Hey guys, so I'm really excited. A package just came. It was at my mom's house for a bit, but so it's a Barbie Extra #3. I haven't even opened the box yet, so I was like, I should just make a video about it and show you guys my other dolls. So behind me I have some other ones I can talk about later, but let's see what's in this thing. So I got this on eBay and I was like searching a long time. I got it for like 35. Also packaging. The packaging are really good. Let's see. Barbie. She's so pretty. Look at her. So she's got her crazy coat. Oh, it's missing a little teddy bear. Oh well. She got her little sunglasses and her little friend. Yeah, should we unbox her? I'm not sure. I might give her as a gift for Christmas, but look at it. So she's really cool. I kind of want to unbox her, but I don't think I am. Let's see. I got some other ones, so I wanted to show you guys. So I recently just got a Barbie #4. Yeah, she's really pretty. If you look at her, she's just like, I had to touch up her lips a little bit. Oh my god, and her hair was all matted. It was like super matted poodle. But I had to buy the shoes separate and her little sunglasses there. But she's truly just beautiful. And behind her I have a Sophia Loren autograph. So I just have this all kind of set up right here. This is I'm a hairstylist, and that model there, Ashley Alexis, you can find on Instagram. Yeah, I do her hair. So she's on like Fashion Nova Curve and all this. I'm gonna give these other two as gifts for Christmas. This is the holiday Barbie. Let's see. Let's put this down. Let's talk about this a bit. She does like lingerie and things. So yeah. And this is the 2021 holiday Barbie. If you guys want to look at the differences of 60 years of Barbies right next to each other, huh? That's kind of cool. Okay, so this is the Barbie, holiday Barbie 2021. She has her bodice. She has metal. It's like a plastic, and this is gonna be as gifts. The Latin and black doll were they were just more available. This one was kind of hard to find, so I don't know what that means, but anyway, she's really pretty, super collectible. I hope they don't open her, but you know, kids, what they do. So anyway, these are them, and I got another. She's a Bratz Yasmin. She's really pretty too. I just got them as gifts, but I really like her hair here. She has her highlights, and her dress is just really detailed. And her tiny little chandelier earrings. She's really pretty. And her shoes, I don't know if you can see her shoes there. Let's see. Oh yeah, there they are. They're like these gold heels with little tiny bows on them. They're super classy. I think this one was like a Hollywood Bratz or something. But yeah. So yeah. This is my great grandma's old radio. I just keep that as like decoration. I got this from Disneyland, like when it was like Mickey's birthday. And a blow dryer. It was really cool. It still works, I think. I should try to plug it back in, but Just use it as decoration. It's an Oster. I love Oster, everything. I love their barber tools, everything. Yeah, General Electric too. I love that brand. Vintage electronics. So yeah. Thanks for watching. And yeah, subscribe.